Hello, and today we are going to learn about science, chapter Electricity and Circuit, class 6. Introduction. How electricity flows. The electricity that flows to our home is generated in power stations. From here, the flows through large transmission lines which carry it to the substations. Finally, distribution lines carry electricity from substations to houses, businesses, and schools like yours. There can be different types of power plants like thermal power plants, hydroelectric power plants, fossil fuels power plants, nuclear power plants, etc. Electricity is used for running electrical appliances like fan, tube, light, water pump, and electronic appliances like TV, computer, washing machine, etc. Electric cell. An electric cell is divided which produces electricity capable to run smaller appliances like torch, remotes, clocks, etc. An electric cell has two terminals, positive and negative. The metal cap is positive terminal, whereas the flat metal disc is the negative terminal. The chemical stored inside the cell produces through the endomet reaction. Once the chemicals are used up, the cell lost the capability to produce electricity. This is the metal cap where my arrow is, and it's an electric cell. This is the metal disc. The upper part is positive terminal and the lower part is negative terminal. So, the electric cell also have a metal cap, acts like the positive terminal, a carbon rod, zinc coordinator, aluminum codipace, power managed dioxide and carbon. Based on zinc can act as the negative terminal. Outer view of a dry cell, inner view of a dry cell. So now we are going to talk about electric bulb. An electric bulb is a device which produces light when electricity is passed through its terminal. The bulb has two thick contact wires in the center with a thin wire attached between them. The thin wire is called a filament. This is a filament. One of the thick wires is connected to the metal case of the base of the bulb, which forms the negative terminal, where the other wire is connected to the metal tip at the center of the base that forms the positive terminal. When electricity is passed through the terminal of bulb, the filament heats up and produces light. The bulb is said to be fused. It's the filament that gets broken. Fused bulbs do not glow. How hard you try, it never grows.